Mercedes revealed the new model, the T-Class. It's an MPV made for people who need a lot of space, but still they want a vehicle with compact dimensions. Main advantages of the new T-Class: room for the whole family with up to 3 child seats on the rear bench seat, plenty of loading space for leisure and sports enthusiasts, and sliding doors that provide quick boarding and flexible loading options. The 5-seater T-Class is 4 meters and 49 centimeters long, and the long wheelbase variant with up to 7 seats will follow. Prices start at under 30,000 euros in Germany for the T160 with 102 horsepower petrol engine, manual transmission and basic specification. Tell me in the comments, how do you like this new model?